Hey guys, this is Don Valley Volkswagen. This is our 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. Beautiful trim, black and black. Well equipped. Got nice embroidery on these black leather seats. Power seats for the passenger. Harman Kardon speaker system. Nice amount of leg space here at the back. Easy to fold down as well. Ventilation, heated seats. 12-volt outlet. Panoramic sunroof. Power tailgate, of course. Nice hitch receiver with connectors. 12 volt, you've got a subwoofer here in the back. 3D mats here, just not installed. We're using the carpet mats. Power trunk again. So you can watch it close down. And you see these nice 20-inch rims. And we're into the driver's side. Power and lumbar again, memory seating. Harman Kardon, like I said earlier. All your automatic options right there for windows and lock switches. Light switches. Up on the steering wheel, you'll notice all your Bluetooth controls. You also do have your radar cruise controls here as well. 29,606 kilometers at time filming. Navigation, AM, FM, XM radio. Quick view here of the climate controls that you're working with. A couple of the apps that are available here. It's the backup camera. Coming on down, you do have all of your safety features here, parking sensors, park assist, your lane keep assist, engine auto on and off, automatic climate control again. Down inside here you'll have two USBs and auxiliary 12 volt. You have a suspension here that does raise and goes down. You do have all of your automatic functions here for the 4x4 system and 4-wheel drive low. All the way in the deep reaches here, you'll have another 12-volt outlet at the very back. And you have your sunroof controls, light controls up top, as well as a sunglass holder. Once again, this is Jason and Don Valley Volkswagen, and this is our 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. Take care.